Alright, trying to sell something on my website, but the customer says it doesn't work, and he just gets booted back out, and the payment doesn't go through. So I think that has something to do with my new shopping cart version, and the PayPal gateway is not handing off the right variables or something. So I go here and I make this post on forums.cubecart.com, and I said I tried searching for this and nothing turns up. Well, first of all, my title is PayPal IPN, which is the problem I'm having. Instant payment notification for CubeCart 4.43. So as you can see, you can read by yourself, and it tells you what my situation is. And I have a picture of my PayPal login session, which I picked profile, and I went to IPN notification settings, and I don't know the URL that I'm supposed to send the customers to, or when they check out of the shopping cart. Where do they go? And I have this open, which is the guts of where this is what gets called when they click the shopping cart. This is the code that gets executed, that gets sent through a post, and it gets sent through this nasty little HTML entity, the URL with the ampersand, and the value and the keys. Everything gets sent. This is the code that actually gets executed when you go here. This is called the transferinc.php file, and this is what gets passed to the PayPal server, like the transaction ID, the amount, subtotal, and tax and shipping. It's all broken into variables, and so my problem is the customer couldn't get it to execute. So I think it has something to do with the URL that PayPal talks to, and this is what gets transferred basically. I'm here right now at PayPal's website, just showing a tutorial on how to set up back-end transactions, and this is one nasty ass URL right here. MC gross, which stands for the gross, $19.95. Protection eligibility, status, PayPal user verification, address, broken into this long ass string of hex and URL encoded. This URL encoded, it's basically one nasty ass freaking probably 200 character string that shows all the details. Like here, this is transaction ID. This is pivotal in your payment. It's a token that identifies that user that made the transaction, so you don't have duplicates. And what type of transaction it is instant. It shows his name, his address, his email, my email. These are all things to vet the customer, make sure he is who he is, and no one's trying to do some kind of attack and intercept your data. so that someone could steal the money or change the details of the payment. Like if an attacker could change the variable to say it's a cheaper product, like it would cost $50, he could say it costs $20 and get the product if he knows how to manipulate get and post. So yeah, and that's it. That's Axiom. This is Axiom mods, and I just posted a thread on CubeCart forums. Lovely stuff, isn't this?